God is my time, nigga. Got gold on time, gold chain, everything's gold, man. It's gold light.
Gucci.
Yeah man, just go up on the YouTube and look for A1, they should know Blackjack Marriott. World works, just go up on the internet and search, you know what I mean? Like you think of global man, because you don't have help, you know. So you alone can't do it.
Really hard and I find with it.
But high grade skills. Every day, all day we do this, you see me? That's how I'm showing you something.
Really hard man style.
General.
Yeah, you know, brother. Don't know, Swayze.
They should know, they should know, they should know. Tell them.
No, I say no music will come on soon now. Me say, me fresh.
Fresh?
I'm in a video that drop, now a black suit, the tuxedo.
Fresh?
Fresh. Don't know trouble with it, you know. Have you know, you see me? Fully loaded all the time.
You gotta secure the bag them, you see me? Yes sir, yes sir. Every day we make money. Every day. Tell them.
Backpack, them full of things.
Yeah, backpack. You gotta secure the bag them, you see me? You got RC in the building. Yeah man, the general, you see me? Yeah, okay. Yeah, yeah. What's up? I don't want to kiss you, touch your body. What's up? No say, my mama no like them. What's up? Oh na 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 na, na 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 na. Oh na 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 na, na 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 na. Hold them. Yeah. Yes sir. What you mean? Hold them, general. Yes sir.
We are responsible for all of them.
Yes sir.